everyone, welcome once again to Cooking with Tita right here in my kitchen. Today I will share with you how I grill my meat or how I do my grilling. Today I have two different kinds of meat. I have T-bone steaks and also I have pork steaks. I have some shrimps. So I guess we're gonna have surf and turf today, huh? These are jumbos. Jumbo. Okay, I have some potatoes and I also gonna show you how I grill my potatoes instead of baking my potatoes. I'll poke that like that, right? All of that. I have 4 potatoes, 2 serrano peppers. I like this grill. 1 sweet potatoes, some carrots that I need to use, a container or a pint of mushrooms. I already washed that, and Mexican onions already also washed. I have meat tenderizer. I'm not gonna tell you how much you have to put in there because I don't know how much meat you have. You see what I'm saying? So I'm gonna show you how I do mine. I'll do this like so. Okay, just lightly. You don't want that to be salty. Do that, and each one of them you flip it like that, okay? Just lightly, okay? Just lightly coated like so, okay? Okay, this is how it looks when it's all coated lightly. Now we're gonna put that aside. Let's put a little bit of oil. Any oil will do, just to coat the shrimp, okay? A little salt. You can use any salt, by the way. And then we're gonna let it season like that. Let's pay attention over here. We're gonna poke this, each one of that like that. I like to wash my potato thoroughly, clean, and just poke it like that. And like this one too, you know. Just so that it won't explode while it's cooking, you know what I'm saying? Okay, and so we're going to do this like that. Each one of them we're gonna put a little salt, okay? And do the same thing with the others, and just, you know, like that, okay? And then we're gonna do that, and then this is just going on the top of the grill. This also is just going on the top of the grill, but let me take off that crown. Like that. Just take it off, you know. Alright? And this is gonna be on the boat. What I mean by that is like this. I will put salt in the middle. See, when the mushroom gets steamed by their own juice, the saltiness would spread into our mushrooms. Get it? Okay? So that's my definition of boat. Okay? I'm gonna put this on the grill. Okay? All of that is gonna be on the top of the grill. I'm gonna wrap this one, and when the grill's ready to cook our things, I'm gonna show it to you. Okay? Until then, okay, let's put our vegetable in here. Okay, like so. Our potatoes. I want that over here, because these things needs sometimes to cook, okay? They're huge or hard, so you can just put them in here. Okay, now this two, you wanna leave that here for right now because they're not hard to cook. Okay, so you're just gonna leave it here. I don't know if I told you to kinda flip your potatoes you know, and be sure that it's evenly cooked, or getting cooked evenly, I should say. And then we're gonna go ahead and put our meat in there, like so. Like I've been telling you, I'm cooking for the whole battalion, so ow, 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 ow. Okay, let's kind of turn it around, things like that. Now we're gonna have to shut our barbecue here, and you're gonna have to close this a little bit, just like that. Okay, we're gonna check our meat. It's been there for 3 minutes. I like to check it often. I don't want to burn my meat, so you gotta check it. See, perfect, right? Okay, see, perfect, charred. That's charred. This marking is charred. Let's uncover it for a couple minutes. You don't wanna. Perfect, perfect. You don't wanna overcook your meat either. Okay, so yeah, like that, like so. And then just check this. Okay, I think this is done. You don't want your carrots to be overcooked, just al dente. Okay, so we're gonna take this out. Okay, now we're gonna put our onion. We're gonna lay our onion just around, you know, like so. You don't want to put that on a direct heat, so just like that. Okay, now this one is gonna be done. The T-bone is gonna be done in maybe 2 minutes. You don't want to overcook your steak. Okay, oh, let's turn this around, by the way. There you go. So we're gonna come back in 2 minutes to take the T-bone steak out. Okay, 2 minutes up. And if I may add, you don't want that to get too overcooked because your meat's going to get tough. Okay, all right, so this one needs about, okay, let me see, 2 more minutes. And just kind of flip them so that they would get cooked evenly. Okay, all right, okay, we'll give this couple more minutes and then we'll take it out. Let's cover this for 2 minutes. Let's put our other meat in here. Oh, by the way, if you're cooking multiple pieces of meat, use 2 tongues. Otherwise, like I said, if you don't have 2 tongues, just stick it on a flame like so, so that your tongues would be nice and sanitized, in other words. Does it make sense to you? I hope it does. Okay, so this is done. Okay, I'll put this aside because it needs a couple more minutes, and so as this one. And we'll put the rest of our meat. We have another 2 more pieces. Okay, let's check our things. Okay, now your shrimp, you don't want that to be overcooked, so 3 minutes, 1 minute and a half on each side. Okay, because you don't want that shrimp to be overcooked. It's gonna be tough like rubber. Our shrimp, it's done. Okay, All right. Oh, this one is need more another side, yeah. And this one. Okay, so our vegetable is done, and our potatoes. Okay. Okay, this meat, it's, let me see. Yeah, they're done. You know why I can tell they're done? Because the juice that is coming out, it's clear, not bloody anymore. So it's done. You don't want those to be overcooked. Okay, so let's get them out. Okay, it looks good. Okay, let me see. Yeah, that's done. Okay, all right, that's it. Okay, that is it, guys. That's all she wrote. So I hope you guys like my recipe, how I do my grilling outside. Take advantage of all this nice weather out here, out my garden. We're gonna harvest a couple strawberry, and I'll see you again, guys, when you cook with Tita right here in my kitchen or in my backyard. As I always say, bon appetit. Bye.